guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a DIY leave-in conditioner. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. I already put the aloe vera gel from the plant in there. I melted down the shea butter and the mango butter, so I'm pouring that in now. All of the measurements that I used for everything else was about 3 tablespoons, I'd say. I've only been doing this for a couple of weeks, so I still haven't gotten the measurements completely right because after this it was not enough product for my hair, so I did end up stretching it a little bit with some aloe vera juice. Here I'm just pouring in some grapeseed oil. Like I said, I used about 3 tablespoons of all the ingredients. Mostly everything I used in this video you can find at your local grocery store, like a Walmart, or Target should have it too. I don't really shop at Target though, so I'm not sure. But the Jamaican black castor oil you can get from any beauty supply store. I got the essential oils, and honestly most of the oils there I got from Walmart, except for the jojoba oil. I had to get that from a beauty supply store. The aloe vera juice I actually got from GNC, and I believe it was only $10 for that huge bottle, so it's a pretty good buy, and it lasts a while depending on how often you're going to do this treatment, which I'm actually getting in the habit of trying to do my hair every week now, so I will be doing this treatment every single week. After I was done putting all of the ingredients in, I did go ahead and blend it, but I lost the footage, so there's that. So then I just went ahead and put everything in a spray bottle after it was all blended, and then I did my hair. If you guys want to see that video, just stay tuned and please subscribe.
Been trapping always. You could get the fuck from my face. I don't give a fuck about the fame.